So with everything you've talked about so far, it seems pretty important to seek this treatment. So what is your advice for steps to going forward with this right after the accident?
So first thing to do is get treated as soon as you can, because first and foremost, like I've said a few times, it really is key to get in as soon as possible, because the earlier you get treated and you get diagnosed, then the more steps can be taken to make sure that you feel better. As opposed to if you wait 6 months, who knows? Maybe there was a small fracture that didn't heal correctly. Maybe there was a ligament tear that just got bigger and bigger over time. Maybe there was a small displacement in your a disc bulge. Who knows? Whatever the case may be, the sooner you can get treated, the sooner the issue can be diagnosed, so it can be handled in whatever way a medical professional finds appropriate. Whether it's doing physical therapy, having surgery, going to a chiropractor,
Seeking a specialist. Yeah.
seeking a specialist, exactly. Whatever the case may be, it's just, obviously the sooner you can get in, the better chance you give yourself to have better results and feel better. And as far as a claim or a lawsuit is concerned, again, if you wait 6 months, if you wait 3 months, if you wait a year, then you're weakening your case when it doesn't need to be weakened. You're giving the other side ammunition to say, okay, well, if you were in so much pain, like you say, why in the world did it take you 6 months or 3 months to get treatment? Because based on what you're telling me, if I was in that much pain, I would haul over there as soon as I
I'd
could.
live there.
Right, exactly. You're making that argument easy for them. And again, they'll also say, okay, even assuming your pain is as bad as you say, even putting aside the fact that it would make more sense to go as soon as you could to get it helped, your pain wouldn't be as bad as you say it is if you had done that. So we're not on the hook for all this pain that you're feeling financially. You are, basically. I mean, there's a limit to what they will be willing to compensate you for.
So is there a duty to like seek care when you're hurt and then you can't go and claim damages when you haven't done anything to seek treatment?
Yeah, I mean, no, it's just more logic than anything. I mean, it's intuitive. There doesn't even need to be a rule. It's just like, it's just, what would a jury think? You said you've been in excruciating pain for a year. Then why haven't you gone to the hospital? Like, why haven't you done anything to make?
If it really is that bad, yeah.
Exactly, and
Detrimental to your life, to your job, to your
Right,
family,
yeah.
to anything that you have responsibilities towards that you can't do.
yeah. And another thing is like, if you don't go to some kind of provider and they say, listen, there's really not much you can do, just take Advil, stretch, do what you can to mitigate, but it's kind of there. If there's not a medical professional telling you that and you just don't go at all, then there's no record saying
You ever hurt in the first place.
I don't no well no, like I wouldn't be able to say, listen, there was a doctor who told him there was nothing more he could do. So yeah, the pain lingered and he still has the pain and he hasn't gone to any specialist for a year, but literally the doctor told him, listen, there's really not much we can do here. So he's going to listen to his doctor and he's going to deal with the pain. What else do you want him to do? I mean, because a lot of times that is the case.
It's a tough circumstance to be stuck in if that is the case.
Yeah.